Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Call of Duty Mobile on ROG Ally. Power on your ROG Ally, connect to Wi-Fi, install the game via the official store or sideload the APK if needed, enable game mode, and set performance to balanced or high frame rate for smooth play. Calibrate touch controls or pair a controller, check network latency, and keep battery charged for long daily sessions. Start by updating your ROG Ally firmware and drivers, then sign into your gaming account. Use the Play Store or sideload a trusted Call of Duty Mobile APK, granting permissions when prompted. Optimize in-game settings by lowering texture quality and enabling 60 FPS mode if available, and bind inputs for accuracy. Finally, regularly test a practice match to confirm controls, latency, and lower render resolution and texture details to reduce GPU load and boost frame rates for smoother gameplay. Set thermal limits conservatively and consider a cooling pad to prevent throttling during extended sessions. Turn off background apps and notifications and use wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection to reduce latency. Keep the battery above 20% and avoid extreme power saver settings unless you need extra runtime for casual matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.